Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. And I'm back at it again with another traffic ad bar affiliate marketing deep dive or spy tactic campaign, whatever we want to call it. I think I change it up on every video, but whatever we want to call it, this is what it is. This is a beginner affiliate marketer looking to find the most advantages to becoming an expert affiliate marketer in the shortest amount of time. Now, this industry is not forgiving. It's not an easy industry to be in, and it definitely takes time to get used to all the information that you're going to be ingesting, all the things that you're going to be learning that you need to do in order to be successful as an affiliate marketer. But what I want to do for you guys is, first, I want to ask you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to like the content, share the content, comment about the content, ask questions. Ask me anything that you want to know about affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner and you just need that edge, that's what I'm here for. And this is one of those things, one of those tools that we actually use to give ourselves an edge. Now, I've been talking about traffic ad bar for a little bit now. And of course, this is a great traffic source, but I don't use it for the traditional reasons why people come on here. A lot of people come on traffic ad bar in hopes of getting sales and conversions, but I understand the game and the way affiliate marketing go and the way different systems and traffic sources work. So I don't have those type of expectations of becoming rich just by using this traffic source. But what I do have the expectation of, and it's something that I can definitely achieve, is getting my knowledge up, learning how to create landing pages. And if I'm not the creative type of person and I'm just getting into the industry, then of course I'm going to need every advantage possible. When it comes to writing ads and ad copy and website language, that's going to be more than half the battle of you becoming successful with affiliate marketing. If you can get somebody to arrive to your website, ingest the content, the copy that's on the page, and you can get them to click the link to go to the next step, then the battle is halfway over. Because most times when you click on the link on a website that you actually created, most times you're going to send them directly to the product that you're promoting, and it's that company's job to do the rest of the selling for you. So they're usually the professionals that have teams of people writing professional ad copy for their particular landing page for their product to give all the information. So if you can get a person to click from your website to go to your product website, that's more than half the battle. So this right here, I'm not going to talk too much about this right here. I think I probably spent more time on the intro of this video than I actually want to spend on talking about this particular website link. And this right here, this is one of those pages that I didn't even really do a deep dive and look into it before I decided to do the video. I just looked at this top section and the next section that I'm going to scroll down to. And I didn't like this website. So whoever made this site, I apologize if this may hurt your feelings or whatever, but we have to be honest. And that's what I'm here for, to give beginner affiliate marketers honest, helpful, truthful information. Now, if I'm somebody that's looking to start a business and I know nothing about this industry, this right here is not going to get me to click on the link that's on your website. Okay, the first word, attention. Okay, you got my attention. Now what? Then it says never been done before until now. Okay, what is that? You see a guy and a GIF and money's flying around them. Okay, so I get this idea that this is a make money from home type of website. They must be talking about how I can make money from home in an unheard of fashion, or a method that's never been done before. All right, so in my head, right off top, is if it's never been done before, that means that it's not really tested. It's not really a proven system. It's something that, you might just be testing out, and you want me to actually, kind of be like the guinea pig, however you say it, to see if it actually works when you use words like never been done before. Now, everybody likes terms like that because they usually think that means that I'm going to be special. I'm going to be a pioneer. I'm going to be the first person to do this and that. And that's great if you want the notoriety. But it's not about notoriety when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's about making that end result, making that money from home. And I don't want to do something that's never been done before, particularly if I'm, in a crunch and my goal is to make money. I don't have time to waste time. I don't have money to invest in something that has never been done before, honestly. So with that right there kind of puts me off. Then we come down to the rest of it. It says here, this crowdfunding runs on autopilot and goes directly to Metamask Wallet instantly. Crowdfunding, Metamask Wallet, I know nothing about either of that. I'm familiar with crowdfunding, but what does crowdfunding have to do with me making money from home? And what is this Metamask Wallet? Something I never heard about, but when you see words like meta, if you're into social media or into technology, you might think maybe the metaverse or something like that. And I'm not really into the metaverse like that yet. I want to learn about it, but it sounds like some complicated stuff. So talk about Metamask Wallet. I don't know. My interest was peaked in the beginning, but now I'm kind of falling off. Then it says, after setting it up and getting it going, using the simple directions in the following video tutorials. All right, so you might be able to pull me back in with the video tutorial. So looking at this, you have what they call a whiteboard animation type video. And then it has another video that looks like a used stock type of video. And then we're coming down to the bottom of the page. This is the end of it. This is everything that's left on there. So let's just read this part real quick. The closing statement. It says the People's Project has been created to make it possible for all people from every corner of the globe to reach their goals and dreams without hurting anyone financially ever. It is $1 million global opportunity for everyone who has a desire to change their lives. This is a time-tested and proven system and has already blessed millions of people around the world in the past 15 years. All right, now you're back to piquing my interest, but the information is so vague that I really don't have any idea of what you're going to be showing me. Is this affiliate marketing? Is this promoting a system of how to make money from home? Is it teaching me how to, write emails? What particularly is it teaching me to do? Now, I can watch the videos, but most times when you're in situations like this and you're looking for an easy, fast solution, you want the message to hit you instantly to let you know what it is that you're going to be embarking on before you waste any more time. Now, just because I want to know and, get a little idea of what the quality of the video might be, and I want to see how long the video is, I'm just going to press the play button on the first one just to see how long it is and to get an idea of the intro.
Hi, you are about to be introduced to the most revolutionary crowdfunding project on the planet. This is not a company with a CEO. There is not some kind of owner at the top who reaps all the benefit while everyone else crosses their fingers praying to catch some leftover table scraps from the fortunate few at the top. This is run by the people, for the people. This concept came from the creator of a similar offline private invitation concept just like this, and has been running for over 15 years and still running successfully today. The Project for the People has one simple goal, and that is everybody wins. This is how it works. We have a 14-board 2x2 matrix constant cycler. Starting with a $25 one-time entry, this project goes all the way to $600,000 on the final board. The most you will ever contribute to get started is $28, $3.
All right. So with that's all that I need to really hear. And it kind of confirms for me what I kind of got the idea that this business might be about. When I saw the words crowdfunding, a lot of companies use different terms for that. But when it comes to these type of businesses, as you heard in the beginning statement, you have to put down an investment. And it's kind of like you're putting down an investment. Matter of fact, let me not even speculate without having seen the whole video of exactly what they're going to be doing, but I have an idea. Right off top, it didn't talk about a product, so it's not something that's going to help you do this, that, and the third. That wasn't the first, introduction to whatever the service was. The first introduction to it was that you're going to pay this money, and you're not going to have to pay anything more than this amount ever, and you're going to receive this. That sounds familiar to me, and it sounds like something that I really wouldn't be interested in. Now, with that, I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to ask you guys, definitely comment below if this video was helpful for you. If this was a website that you came across and you were looking to make money from home, does it sound like something that you would be interested in? Does it sound like something that would be, a legitimate business that you want to start with the purposes of having something for longevity, something that you can actually help people and build something that you can be proud of? Right off top, this doesn't give me that kind of vibe. So this would actually be a pass. This would be something that, for educational purposes, I would never make my landing page look like this, because it's just vague, and I don't think it would be very helpful. So I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be nice on the videos. But if this has been helpful to you, once again, I want you guys to hit the like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you put comments. And if you have questions about affiliate marketing, if you want to know how to make money from home legitly with something that's built for longevity, something that's not going to have you starting your business this week and then next month you're looking for another opportunity, next year you're looking to start a whole nother business because you have gotten distracted by what they call shiny object syndrome, where you keep moving from this business to that business because you're just trying to follow the trends. Now, if that's you, so be it. There's other people that you can learn from and that you can, take your chances with. Spend your money, invest in things that you're just gonna, play games with. But if you're serious about affiliate marketing, then click the link in the description. It's going to take you to a training. And matter of fact, let me not even talk to you about it here. Let me show you this short video that'll explain to you everything. Are you serious about affiliate marketing and want a training system that's built for longevity? If that person is you, I want you to click the link that's going to be in the description and you can actually see it at the top here, rvadelivered.com/pick your course. At the top, it's speaking directly to you. If you're a hustler looking for a secret success system using affiliate marketing, and if you're serious about affiliate marketing and making money from home, this is a training system that's built for you and is built for longevity.